Okay, you ready for this is the mind-blowing one. Everyone with me? I'm going to pause for a moment to let you finish writing down the last problem so that I have less questions to answer because you're all with me, not trying to catch up. Okay, moment's over. Pick a number 1 to 10?
5.
8.5.
7. I already picked 5. Pick a number that's going to be a power. It needs to be bigger than 2 and less than 10.
3.
3 it is. See, I just picked whichever's loudest. Okay. You good? Okay. Whew. If secant is to any power besides 2. I'm going to say that again. If secant is to any power besides 2, secant is your u. But this is tricky.
Does that mean it's 1? Well,
And no, because if it's 1, tangent also has to be 1. Otherwise, you don't know how to do it. Anything greater than 2, maybe I should say. See, if secant is 1, tangent has to be 1. Otherwise, you don't know how to integrate it. Trust me, you don't want to know. I can teach you, but you don't want to know, and you will never see it. Unless you go to 113, which I don't recommend. Yes? No? Okay. Du dx, what's the derivative of secant? Secant tangent. And you have to do the derivative inside. Oh, this is long. Okay, now comes the hard part. Is everyone with me? The hard part is this. I have a secant tangent for my du. I have u is secant. So if I made this u to the third, I'd have no secants left over for my du. So I got to do u to the second. Hold on. Let's say you didn't see that. I'm going to solve for dx and do the dx first and then put in the u's. Is that okay? Okay. Let's divide by secant. This is just a ridiculous. Look how long this is. Like, so long. Okay, please don't make me write that part again. So I've got tangent of 7x secant cubed of 7x. And instead of dx, I'm writing du over secant tangent You guys ready? No. Okay, pause this. I would love to move the board up. Okay, are we done? Moment over?
yeah.
Moment over. Okay, the tangent cancels. One of the secants cancel. So that I have the integral of secant squared du over 7. And now I got to put my u in. Do you see how tricky? This was on the test 3 from last time. Like this kind of one. I think they had an uglier inside. So this would be a 1/7. This is now u. I still have a du. Where did the 1/7 come from? Yeah, we were dividing by 7 to begin with because of the du. Okay, guys. Yes.
Wouldn't it be easier just, we have our u and our du, right, before you write it to sides. Wouldn't it be easier just to say, oh, u is secant, so u squared.
You're thinking like a student. Yes, that works great for you,
Okay.
but I didn't want to lose 90% of the class. Which which is why I didn't do it that way. But yes, that's what I do too. But that's why I just cut you off in your question. Okay, 1/7, add 1 to the power plus c. Yeah, we okay? Stefan, we okay? It's kind of tricky, huh?
I'll be okay.
You want to know a secret? I'll show you at the end the secret. Okay, this is going to be 1. What's 7 times 3? 21. And then we'd have secant. Okay, here's my secret. Whenever secant is to a higher power than 2, after you integrate, it will have the same power you started with. Look, it's secant cubed. We started with a secant cubed. That is usually enough to get the right answer. I would love to repeat myself. Okay, do you see that we have a secant cubed in the answer?
Yes.
Who is the one who wanted me to say it again? Edward. And guy in the purple? You welcome, Jance. Okay, what's your name? Or what? What's your name? Okay, Trent, do you see that we have a secant cubed here? Do you see we started with a secant cube? That's all we're looking for. Whenever secant has a higher power than 2, the answer will have the same power for the secants as what you started with. We good? Are we okay? Fantastic. I think we have covered all of the ridiculous. I would like to do 2 more problems, one with sine and cosine parts, and one I forgot to do with you guys that's always on the test. I'll start with the one that's always on the test because I know you guys want to leave. Okay, so let's say I have x squared ln of 2x.
And then is your first function and x squared is your second function.
I'm sorry, say again?
And then is your first function x squared is your second function, is it right?
Sure. I don't know what you mean by first and second. Like d versus
by parts.
u? Yeah, it's by parts, yeah. So I've got a product, I've got an ln, and the ln is not divided by an x. Ergo, I must be doing parts. Okay? You're welcome. Later. So I'm going to do my forced stop thing. ln has to be my d. The derivative of ln is 2 over 2x, which just makes 1 over x. Okay? And then I'm going to integrate x squared. Integrating x squared would get me an x cubed over 3 plus minus. No, I'm kind of flying. Jeremy? Whoosh. Did I lose you? Just fly? Okay. So these multiply. So that I would have x cubed over 3 ln of 2x minus the integral 1 over x cubed over 3 dx. One of these x's is going to cancel. I'm going to rewrite it so it's a little bit easier to read. X cubed over 3, well, it's supposed to be easier to read, but my penmanship is poor. And then I have 1/3 x squared dx. I'm going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power, and then plus c, and we're done. X cubed over 3 ln of 2x. I'm going to leave this 1/3 in front, add 1 to the power, x cubed over the new power, 3 plus c. So I'd have x cubed over 3 ln of 2x minus 1/9 x cubed plus c. I'm going to roll the board up for a second and then we'll bring it back down.